So we're mortaring in between the granite pieces, and what I like to do is I let them set so they're pretty solid, and then I'm going back through, and this is the tedious part. So I'm working it in there, and the more you work the mortar, the gets a little gloss on the top there, brings the water up. So what I'm doing is, instead of trying to make them flat right across, I'm going with a slight hump, and that way I'm trying to get this edge so it's coming right down on the edge real nice. And it's okay if you get it on the granite, because tomorrow we can take a cloth and just wipe them off with water, wipe any of the excess off. So the main thing is, it's tedious, but get a little bevel, upward bevel. And you can see over here where the other is, and a little texture is fine. I feel it is. And it's going to look great.